What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 53 and today's topic will be very interesting, and in this topic what I'll be going to do, I'll be going to show you guys how to chat with your CSV file using Langchain and OpenAI. When I say CSV files, I will develop a capability within front end where you will be able to upload, or user will be able to upload their CSV files, and after that user will be presented with a text box, and inside the text box user will ask some question, and on a fly our application will be going to send the request back to a LangChain agent, and LangChain agent is actually going to do all the calculation and will generate the response in the UI. Okay, so basically I'll be going to develop a Streamlit application or Streamlit UI or web front end. From there user will be able to upload their CSV file, and after that user can chat with the CSV file. Okay, so hopefully you guys will understand. So it is going to be very exciting tutorial, so I won't take much time for explaining the slides and theory, but I should do this part. So basically what exactly we are going to do, so build one Streamlit UI, that is the first thing. Then we'll develop a function to upload and read the CSV file. Then we'll develop user input to submit, develop user input and submit button to face the user prompt, right? And last but not least, we'll be going to use the LangChain pandas agent to answer user specific question. These are the 4 steps I'll be going to do. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me start working with my VS code. Okay, so basically I have created something here. Okay, so basically this is Indian Premier League data, or maybe you can call it as an IPL. It's a cricket league, global cricket league, which is hosted in India. Every year it is generally hosted by Indian cricket board, BCCI. So basically I'll be going to do some sort of like IPL data analysis, you can call it. Okay, so basically it has data from 2008 to 2017, so you can call it a last 10 years data, and within that data I'll be going to develop some sort of capabilities. Okay, so let's try to actually work on this thing. So first thing first, we'll be going to import from Streamlit, import Streamlit. Okay, import Streamlit as st. Okay, this is done. I don't know why this is Streamlit. What is this? Okay, okay, this. Okay, so uh, uh, mm, first I'll be going to actually develop the UI, and slowly we'll be going to do. So what else will be required? So probably I think will be required import, okay, pandas. Okay, right, so this is done. Okay, what else? I think uh, I think we need LangChain agent, and we need LangChain OpenAI. Okay, so basically let's try to actually import the LangChain related thing. So basically uh, okay, so before we do anything, let's actually start developing our UI first. That is the most important thing. Okay, so st.write. So basically I'll just going to give a headline. Okay, uh, maybe CSV chat, CSV chat. Okay, like this. Let's make it a little bit bigger. CSV chat app. Okay, so then what we'll do, we'll be just going to give a title. So basically that is going to be my title actually. Okay, right, and now I'll be going to give a headline. So st.write, and there I'll be going to write uh, upload your CSV and ask anything. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now next thing is actually I'll be going to create a variable. So maybe I just create a variable upload file, or maybe I just make it small like file. So basically file will be what? File will be st.file uploader. Okay, it's very easy, and there I'll be going to write select your file, select your file. Okay, and I explicitly mentioned type equals to CSV. Okay, you can this is basically a list. Okay, so I can call it CSV. It is done. Then just to make sure whether it is getting like whether everything is showing there or not, so what I will do, I'll be just going to display the content. Okay, so now what is actually going to happen, if file if file is not none, means if file is not empty, okay, then what will happen, it is actually going to create a data frame, right? So it should be pd dot read csv, and there I'll be going to pass my file object, this variable. Okay, and then what is going to happen, I just going to display it in the UI. Okay, st dot write, it is going to be very easy, guys. Okay, so like this, and df. Okay, now what will happen, now probably I'll be going to kill the terminal, and I'll be just going to open a new terminal here, and just look at my terminal. I'll show you how to run this streamlit code. So basically streamlit, then run, then main. Okay, like this. So it came actually. So click on browse file, and this is my match.csv, right? So it's here, and you see it is loaded. So whatever we are trying to achieve, it is happening. So basically now, just to make sure our things are clean, I will just comment this part. Okay, because I don't need that part. Okay, like this. Now I'll be going to develop the other module. So for that, now I'll be going to require a couple of things. So first thing, from LangChain. Okay, so basically LangChain dot agents. Okay, dot agent types, maybe import agent type. Okay, then from LangChain underscore experimental dot agents dot agent toolkits, import create pandas data frame. Okay, done. Now what is going to happen, from Langchain underscore OpenAI. Okay, import chat OpenAI, right? So now what is actually required, what else is required, let me check. I think that's it. So what I'll do, I'll just create our LLM. Actually LLM is actually going to be chat OpenAI. I'll just use the model, I'll use GPT-4. Okay, GPT-4, right? And then I just use temperature equals to 0. Done. Okay, so now what else, I think what I'll do here, I'll be just going to ask user to enter something, right? So basically I'll just create user, or maybe I'll just write input equals to st dot text area, and I'll ask user to ask your question here. Okay, done. So now what will happen, if the user input is actually not none, so basically if input is not, sorry, none, then what is actually going to happen, let's see. So we should create a button equals to st dot button, right? And there probably I'll be just going to write submit. Okay, so if user input is actually not none, a button will be created, submit button, right? Then what is actually going to happen, then we'll be going to check if if submit button is pressed, so basically okay, if button, then what is actually going to happen, uh, we'll be going to I think I don't need to write anything here because I have to just develop the agent here. So basically our agent I need to develop here, nothing else. um, just thinking, just give me a moment. uh, if button, that is this thing. So basically I think I have to create the agent here. Okay, I have to create an agent. So basically agent will be create pandas data frame agent, like this, like this. So basically first I have to write the LLM. Okay, then I have to write df or pandas data frame, right? Then we have to mention verbose. I will just make it false because I don't want to like waste my tokens, because I'm using a paid edition, right? And agent type dot openai function, agent type dot. So basically this is not coming, I don't know why. So basically openai functions. Okay, that's it. And basically like this. Okay, all done. Now what will happen, uh, I'll create a variable called result ult. Okay, so result is actually going to be what, agent dot invoke, and agent will be invoked with input, the input what user entered. Okay, and after that here I'll be just going to write what, uh, so this is done. So if button, okay, and then st dot write will be going to result and output. Okay, all done. I believe this is kind of a very fast track mode I did it. Okay, but it's very easy. First it is checking file is there or not. If its file is checking, it is directly go here and ask user for an input, and if his input is not, it is actually going to execute the remaining part. So basically I have everything here. I need to just refresh the page. The good thing is actually Streamlit that you no need to debug or build again. Then just browse. Now see, the df data frame is not coming. Now ask your question, everything is here. So I'll ask a simple question: how many teams are there? Write the names. Let's see. And just because I made verbose equals to false, nothing will be come here. But if I make it verbose equals to true here, then all calculation will be given here. You see it is able to generate. There are total 15 teams: Sunrisers Hyderabad, Mumbai Indians, Gujarat Lions, Rising, Pune Supergiant, etc., etc. Everything is coming. Okay, done. So let's ask another. I will ask total 4-5 questions. So next question will be, which team has won maximum number of matches? So let's see. It is already starting. When it is doing something, this portion will be hidden. So see, Mumbai Indian is maximum number of matches. So let's, what is the inning count? Let's ask this question as well. Okay, so it's also going to give the count as well. Okay, right. So it is saying that Mumbai Indian own maximum number of matches is 109. So let's ask, which team has uh, lost maximum number of, what is the losing count? Okay, it should be RCB. Like I saw some stat couple of months ago. Yes, so the team has lost the maximum number of matches is Royal Challengers Bangalore with a losing count of 95 matches, right? So let's ask a couple of more questions. The 3 questions I have asked. So just hold on. So Yes, so so city, okay, which city? Hyderabad winner, toss decision, toss winner, toss decision, win by wicket, player of the match. So basically I'll ask which venue has hosted. Okay, uh, okay, so I'll ask which player got maximum player of the match award. Okay, let's ask this question. Okay, who got maximum player of the match awards? Keep the count. I don't know, maybe Virat Kohli. Let's see. Okay, the player who got maximum player of the match award is Chris Gale. Okay, so which let's say which last question, which venue hosted maximum matches? I think maybe Chennai, because every year they are reaching to the finals, so always they are getting some extra matches. So hopefully it will be Chennai, right? Or Mumbai. Okay. So surprisingly, it is saying Eden Gardens. I don't know why. Hmm, I don't know. Yeah, maybe during a couple of years ago, they actually restricted the venue for couple of big locations. So that year maybe KKR reached to the final and they got semi-final and couple of more matches were played there. So maybe because of that. Okay. Which venue hosted least? So let's ask the last question as well. I don't know which ground is it is. So he's giving some ground. I don't know. Yeah, some year actually IPL was hosted on South Africa. Maybe it was that ground. Okay, okay. So hope you guys understood. So if you have a big file, you also do the same thing, but make sure that you should use a paid model because this sort of things are actually happening on a fly. And if you're using GPT at least 3.5 turbo and 4 and onwards, then probably you'll be going to get the best answer. And also you can use the open source LLM like Mistral 7me model as well, 7 billion parameter model as well. But remember, you have to use a GPU and you have to actually you have to do the inference using the GPU, or else every after every response you will get a delay. So if you don't want to spend some money, then actually try to go to Hugging Face and download some model. But if you have some money to actually play around and learn this thing, just straight away put $10 in the OpenAI wallet, and after that you can start using it. Okay. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video, but don't worry guys, I'll be going to give you this file, the source code, everything, and also GitHub link in the PowerPoint slide. And just a humble request, it's a request uh, from my from last 1 year. I'm actually continuously regularly again I'm uploading this sort of videos for you guys, and always whenever there is a request I try to actually fulfill that request. So please try to put some comment, good or bad doesn't matter, but try to put some honest feedback whether these videos are helping you or not. If you want something to be done in a better way, also let me know. I'll try to actually improve our quality. And also the most important part is actually guys, please try to share our videos with your family and friend, whoever is going to get some value out of it. And also try to subscribe to our channel, or also ask your friends to subscribe to my channel. Your one subscription and one help is actually going to uh, do a lot of things indirectly and directly for me, and it is also going to help me to grow. And I will be going to get large number of audience, and also my reach and YouTube discoverability will increase. So it is my ultimate goal. Please help me guys to grow. It is a request. Hopefully you guys will help me. Okay, with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you.